All right, we're checking out the construction sites in Toronto at Yonge-Eglinton area. I think they're gonna pick up that cement in a minute. Looks like the crane is ready to go. This is Yonge Street right in front of me, and Eglinton is about 50 meters to my right. Let's check this side a little bit, and I'd like to film that guy pulling up the heavy cement container. People have written their concerns on the wall here. The construction that's been going on for 15 years is just up the street. They're sucking the cement in the building. All right. All right, let's go up. There's many constructions going on in the city all over the place. This would be Yonge Street, Yonge and Eglinton. For if you're first time watching the video, we do walking and protest videos and that's stuff related to Toronto, whatever looks good. This would be what they call it Midtown Toronto. You can this Yonge Street is one of the major streets in the city, and then you jump on it, you'd be downtown core, to the heart of the city, but very close to the downtown, very midtown. So a couple of stations, 3-4 subway stations, you're right downtown. That's where we are. And they've been building a subway stop or line or something here for past 15 years. So there's been a construction going on for quite a bit, a long time. So let's go check it out. I think still delayed. It's always been delayed year after year. I don't follow it anymore, but it's always an interesting situation here. So let's go and see what's going on. We haven't planted any flowers or grass or anything here yet. Temperatures are, yesterday was 30 degrees Celsius, and today is pretty close to that. The sun is really hot. It's June 1st, 2023. Steakhouse somewhere in there. The cake. Yeah, that's now they're moving. Last time I came up here, which was about a couple of months ago, this area wasn't blocked this far south. Oof, it is hot. What I notice is like we're getting more and more kind of these random graffitis everywhere on the walls. Just like used to be very few of them in Toronto, but you're getting more and more, even onto buildings that are occupied. Wow, yeah, they're not finishing that at all anytime soon. She's eating chips and running to work. All right, here we are. Yonge and Eglinton. I'd say let's cross the street there. Looks like there's more action over there. I think the sidewalk was over the other side. But it's one way of taking out your garbage. See if you can get in that building and sneak around a little bit. That's Eglinton Avenue looking west. That's a good angle to get. Taking out the trash on Eglinton Avenue. It's not trash, it's probably construction material, but we're having fun with the guy. Look at how deep that's gone in. And those are the beams, I guess, that hold the road and all the weight. Pretty heavy duty. Let's go see what's in that white bag. What's in those white bags? I gotta stay away. You don't know what's in the white bags?
I think it's garbage.
Okay, thank you.
Everybody hold up for a sec. Hold up, everybody. Go!
So it was garbage. Probably construction garbage. Heavy enough to take a Sunbelt rental tool to get it out. Pretty tight corner. Thanks, man. That guy's got ice cream for everybody. He says, "You want ice cream?" Anyway, so he's taking the garbage out here. Some footage of this intersection. What's going on? What's been going on for a while? The traffic moves pretty, I guess, freely because the volume of traffic is a lot lower because people are avoiding this area like crazy. But if you have a shop or anything here, you've been messed up for a while. A couple of traffic guards, crossing guards. That guy's still trying to secure the garbage so he can take it out. We're gonna go inside that building, end the film in there, looking from the top down, see what happens. It's got more of that stuff. So if you want to know what's going on in the corner of Yonge and Eglinton, that's what's going on. You better not hit those wires. It's navigating those wires carefully, otherwise the whole area will be out of power again. Look how quietly he's maneuvering that massive between those two wires. Great. All right, let's head out of here. All fun and games until somebody knocks the wire over. Let's go upstairs here. Maybe we can get a view of the action. Do a dolly shot going up the stairs. It's got a few people working here. There's like 3 people standing around. It's just very, very mellow. A couple of people over there. That's what's taking so long. A very mellow and gentle operation. Nothing quick. There's some more people down here. There. These are walkways or something between these buildings? I don't know what these are. It looks like war trenches. Lots of cables. Very relaxed style of working. It's a hot day, so everybody's relaxed and taking their time to make sure it's done right. Even if it takes a little bit longer than usual. Anyway, not much happening here. I'll catch you guys in the next film.